nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will try to make a pita wrap pizza with only few ingredients. I'm so excited to show you how I did this, so let's begin. Here are the only ingredients that I used. Let's preheat our frying pan. Then spread some butter to the pita wrap. Place the buttered side down on our nonstick pan. Then place all of the toppings. I was hesitant at first because I did not use any tomato paste or sauce, but it turned out to be so good. Let the cheese melt. Check every now and then if the pita wrap is already toasted. Once it's toasted, we can now remove it from the heat. In total, it only took me less than 20 minutes to make 2 of this, so that's less than 10 minutes each. Slice it like a pizza and serve. The first one is plain. Then I added mayonnaise on top of the other one. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.